always pick her up
Whoa,
and do something with her.
it's zoomed in. Look at who's in her Rocky Rocky. It's Cora. Cora. Good little baby. Are you just a little baby? Yeah. I love you, Cora. Say hi. I don't know if you're in the camera. Probably huge. Okay, sorry about this. They still can't see nothing. There's Mama. I can see that. Oh, it's Cora. There's me trying to stick my fat face in the camera too. I can't hardly see it.
Would you like me to do that? I'm having fun.
That's Cora. Hi. Chibi, how about you? Sobe? Carmen?
I can see myself. That's fun how you have that flipped over like that.
Plus, I can see you too. We can both see you. Oh, goodness. Mom, stop. Here's Grandma Cora. Yeah. This is what I do to her a lot.
What is it about kissing babies?
Because you want to take a little bite while you're there.
Can you not bite my baby?
That's fun, huh? She's got her eyes off. Oh. This lady's going to drive me crazy for my whole life.
I love how her hair's gotten like spiky. Is that because I don't use enough conditioner?
Yeah. Maybe it wants to be curly.
Neither of us have curly hair.
You do.
A little wavy.
Yeah. You have little ringlets when you're a little girl.
Yeah, from a curling iron.
Nuh-uh. Oh. Oh. Okay. Say.
Is it
Bye,
because you used to
Cora.
rub my butt when you were pregnant?
When I was pregnant, Grandma did a lot, so that's
Really?
why you got wavy hair.
She used to rub my butt.
Yeah. Carmen. See how you get dark, or do you? I don't know if I get dark. Oh, Chibi. Here's the first baby of the house.
Yeah.
If I'm pointing at her. I don't know.
Chibi.
Oh, Chibi. Say hi, Chibi. Am I pointing at her?
Kinda.
Kinda? What's that mean? What's that mean? That better?
Well, there we go. I'll do it. You just hold it.
Chibi, do something fun. She just wants to be loved.
Yeah. Oh, Chibi.
You were a princess,
Yes, you were.
but now you're just Chibi.
Yeah.
We have a new princess. Oh, goodness.
You think this is her little face? She smiles. Poor Chibi. Yeah, poor Chibi. You haven't gotten this much love in almost 3 weeks.
Her name's Jinxie.
Yeah. Yes, Jacob. Her name's Jinxie.
Hi,
So is
Jinxie.
Sobe. Oh, Jinxie.
I wonder why he does that.
I think it's just easier for him. So just like,
But he comes over here more. Look at Cora. Do you see her? Do you see her, camera? Cause there.
how many more minutes do you have?
This is what she looks like to me.
Mom, you got an extra, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches from your eyeball there.
Fine. Alright. That was funny. Are you recording? Yes. You're so weird.
Oh, Grandma's making her upset now.
Oh, Grandma.
I was trying to sleep and you think I'm a toy. I'm not a toy.
She's not a toy. Grandma, I'm not a toy. I didn't even want that. You're weird.
Oh. She
Yeah.
was trying to sleep.
But you were
But I was
waking her up.
in her face. We could let Chibi stick her face in her face.
Yeah? No? Chibi, do you want to stick your face in her face?
Chibi, come here. Chibi. Chibi. Chibi, come here. Let me see Cora. Come here, see Cora. Come here, come here. Come here. Carmen's way down there. Or she's way up there, actually.
I'm up.
Chibi, come here. Come here.
Go ahead.
Chibi, you can go up. Get over here. Come here.
Mar.
I'm gonna pet you. Come here.
Disc almost full.
Come here.
She's like, this is weird. I don't know what you're doing.
Fine.
You're freaking me out.
That didn't work. Look at this cute little girl you had.
Is that
She's
sleeping
my
baby?
granddaughter. I have a granddaughter.
Mm-hmm.
I do. I didn't care if it was a boy or a girl, but just a little bit of wanting a girl.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
That's good because I had a girl, huh?
Yeah. So it was a little bit of excitement, like, hooray!
I think I was a little bit
We
like that
get
too.
to dress her up in cute little purple outfits.
Now what do I want next? Does she need a sister or a brother?
She,
I don't think it matters.
no, it doesn't matter, but maybe a sister if you have another kid in a year.
In a year? So if I wait
So they'll be
6,
really
no.
close. They'll be like this.